I wanted to go to the gym today after having a great party yesterday with my family, but the sun is here. It's nice and it's not hot, but it's warm. It's like 23 degrees, something like that. And it's so wonderful walking here in the park. And I wouldn't say walking because I've just been running, but I tend to stop all the time because there's so many beautiful things when the sun hits trees like that, or you see people getting out and about again. It feels like freedom today. It really does. Like Corona doesn't exist, and I love it. Let's keep on doing that. Sunshine like this. Yes, we did it. Not these guys, that guy. So nice. Cold, but better.